Tired of unexpected charges hitting your account because of auto-renewing subscriptions? Let's take control and disable Wix Premium Auto-Renewal in a few easy steps. First, head over to Wix.com and log into your account using your email address and password. Make sure you're logging into the account associated with the premium plan you want to manage. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Billing and Payments. This will take you to the section where you can manage all your Wix subscriptions and payment methods. On the Billing and Payments page, find the Premium Subscriptions section here. You'll see a list of all your active Wix Premium plans. Locate the specific plan for which you want to disable auto-renewal. Next to your plan's name, you should see 3 vertical dots. Click on these dots to open up another menu with further options. From this new menu, select Cancel Renewal. Wix might ask you to confirm your decision and possibly offer alternative options. Follow the prompts to confirm that you indeed want to cancel the auto-renewal. You may need to provide a reason for cancellation, but this is usually optional. And that's it. Once confirmed, your plan will now show expires on date instead of renews on date. Your premium plan will remain active until the expiration date, but you won't be automatically charged for renewal. You're now in full control of your Wix Premium subscriptions. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Wix tips and tricks.